in an attempt to address all the dimensions of wellness to lead a happy, stress-free, successful and radiant life, I'm going to speak today on skincare as a part of physical wellness. Did you know that our skin was the largest sense organ of our body? So it is imperative to take good care of it, protect it, especially when you are in a habit of getting zits or acne as we call it, or any other skin condition. So I'm going to introduce you Dr. Renita Rajan. She's a leading cosmetologist based at Chennai, and she's going to tell us how do you handle zits. Over to Dr. Renita Rajan.
Hi, I'm Dr. Renita Rajan, consultant dermatologist, and I'm very happy to be part of Dr. Renuka David's wellness initiative here. I want to share a small story about one of my patients. She's a 25-year-old working woman, has a lot of client-facing meetings that she goes to, needs to be impeccably dressed and groomed every day. And she had this problem with persistent acne. When she came in, there were a few checks we did, first starting off with whatever products that she was applying on her face, to having her hormonal profile looked at. Because at an age of 25, when you have acne coming in, it could be because of your hormonal issues also. Luckily, she didn't have any, and we worked with her products that she applied on the face. It's very important to remember to throw out old makeup products because they could be giving you a breakout. And between us, we managed to get her clear, put her through a series of treatments, and she was very comfortable with the results. But a few weeks later, she came back in saying that her pimples had come back. I looked at whatever problems that she could have. I looked at whatever could have gone wrong. We had a small talk about what are the treatments that she's applying on the face. And it cropped up that she's been using a sunscreen cream that she wasn't prescribed but she picked up while traveling. So how do you choose a sunscreen if you have pimple or acne prone skin? It is useful to use a gel-based sunscreen over sunscreen creams or sunscreen lotions because this will help reduce the oiliness in the face. The second thing is to make sure that you use a pH balanced cleanser along with the sunscreen, and remember to take off your makeup before you go to bed every night. And finally, it is important to choose a sunscreen with a UV factor of 15 plus that is the UVB protection factor. More important is to look at the UVA protection. You need to have UVA+++, which is very good to protect against photoaging. Usually, ethnic skin responds with pigmentation when exposed to sunlight. So when you have an UVA protection factor of 3 pluses, it usually protects against pigmentation to a certain extent. Remember, you need to wear sunscreens at least 20 minutes before you step out because it takes that much time for the sunscreen to really protect your skin. Also, sunscreens will not protect against immediate tanning. You need to wear the sunscreen for at least 4 good years to make good all the damage that has been done in the past. From there on, the sunscreen will give you a good photo-aging protection. And here and throughout the summer, stay protected and stay happy.
Mayo Clinic gives 5 tips for healthy skin. Avoid direct exposure of your skin to sunlight because lifetime exposure to sun can cause age spots, wrinkles or even skin cancer. Don't smoke or be a passive smoker because smoking narrows the blood vessels of the superficial layer of your skin, causing those blood vessels to constrict and depleting your skin of oxygen and essential nutrients. Also, smoking can destroy collagen and elastin, the basic substance to keep your skin youthful. Try to have a balanced diet, drink a lot of water. Be gentle on skincare, especially while bathing. Don't use too much of hot water. Use warm water and pat dry when you want to dry yourself and moisturize your skin soon after bathing. Manage stress, very important because it just shows on your skin. Drink lots and lots of water. So my dear friends, I think with Dr. Renita's advice on skincare and these useful tips, you're all going to have a completely radiant skin, which is essential as part of your physical wellness. So dear friends, I'm sure you must be enjoying our holistic wellness talks and do continue subscribing to our channel. Before ending my talk, I'm going to leave you with this beautiful thought by one of my favorite all-time big actors, Demi Moore. I'm a big believer in that if you focus on good skincare, you really won't need a lot of makeup. Food for thought, isn't it? So, dear friends, stay radiant, stay blessed, have a great day ahead. Goodbye.